What's up everyone, and welcome back. 2 months ago I made a doll inspired by the cherry blossom tree, and as I told you, there was going to be a part 2. So here we are. So the cherry blossom has a very delicate and beautiful meaning, but there's also a mortality one. It's said that the trees represent the sacrifice of the samurai's life, that's why their blossoms fall very fast. To continue with my story, there is going to be a second sister, a more sinister one, that carried a brutal sword, the Sword of Chaos. Tsunako, the evil sister, shattered Keomi's mirror and began her evil plan to ruin the world. So without further ado, let's bring her to life. As she's going to be Keomi's evil sister, I'm going to use Draculaura as well. Started with 2 layers of sealant and white pastels to soften up the face. I want her to have the same makeup base, but instead of pink I'm going to use red to make it stronger. I'll darken everything by blending the red with some black. I'll add some blush and then I'll start with the eyes. I want her to have more Asian features. And you can tell that was a big challenge for me, because I kept on erasing them. For the lips, I'm going similar to her sisters, but black. All about this evil lady will be black. She has a lot of black shadow on her, but I still wanted to give her a subtle wing liner. Filling this sclera with white acrylic, and I really want those eyes to glow, so I'll be painting them plain golden. And as you can see, they really glow. Time for some black paint on her lips. And her pupils. To finish her face, I'll add little shines and 3D lashes later. Now for the tree. I'm making the armature by twisting 2 pieces of wire together. and using my lovely and trusty foam putty to create the branches over the armature. And just like the past, before the putty dries, I'm going to make some details with a nail file. Now that everything's dry, time for the paint. That's right, black paint. Then with red I'm adding some details. I want her to look like burnt wood, so I'm using a sponge and some grey and white paint to add the ashes. For the kimono I'm using the same pattern, but I want it to be more loose, so I'm adding some extra space, just on the bottom. And the same thing I did on the back, I'm going to do it on the front. Now that the kimono is done, I'll make the ribbon to close it, and I'm using black lace for that. I'll just add some snaps and there we're done. Just like Keomi's tree, I'm gluing some blossoms, but there will be orange instead of pink. To make them look rodent, I'll burn the edges just a little bit. And also I'll water down some black acrylic paint and stain the flowers. Also, I'm adding the fallen petal strings by using some transparent plastic thread, black beads, and more flowers. Put them on the branches. And we're done. I believe both spirits look amazing together, and I really enjoy making these kind of fantasy characters. Tell me in the comment section what do you enjoy the most about this channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more doll fun. And to get notified, ring that bell. That's all for today. See you on the next time. Kiro out.